We got him pulled out, and on our way out, coming down the hill. Check.
That's not even touching. Like I said, if you're cold, if you're driving a little bit forward back though, it'll walk right up. We're using boom like back. Yeah. Well, I was thinking maybe hook a 10-foot and go
Make a sling.
Go right there and right here, make a bridle.
They got that
Not
one
a
already
sling,
attached,
but a bridle.
attached in the rear. We could just leave that one and hook it up one spot. It's probably good enough.
Yeah, but I don't know if that thing even works or what it is or who the guy is or if he's gonna work here.
Doesn't even have to pull. It just has to hold pressure to keep it from sliding.
If we just, I mean, we could leave it there as a safety and just hook up a bridle.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll pull my truck around.
But again, I think that's what's going to
He's on 40s and that locker's front rear. He just has it
not worried at all.
That's good. Pull forward. Trigger carried in this. Maybe.
Do you wish we hooked up those lights yet?
Yeah, I thought my buddy was gonna come over and help me, but then he didn't.
No. You're not important.
Emotional damage.
Of course, there's a rock right there.
That's the one I was hitting then, because I couldn't move it.
Is that a rock or?
That's my trailer.
Oh, that's your trailer bed.
So that they could go through training, actually.
Well, we know I'm planted.
Yeah.
Not gonna have much problem on the springs.
Okay, there we go. Okay. Got a super loop.
What was that? Say that again.
Super loop.
10 foot for a bridle. There's a hole there. That's a deep hole. That swallowed my whole foot.
Too bad you didn't fall, because I would have looked.
All right, who's got the keys?
So why wouldn't you put it on the front?
He's got it.
Oh, but the control arm, is that going to bend?
No, that's the strongest part on the truck.
Okay.
Yeah, it's about a 3-inch forged aluminum.
You're gonna drive it back and forth now.
If we pulled straight, the problem with that is that, see these aftermarket rims? They're held together with these tiny little spokes right here. There's a good chance that you rip a ball joint out, we break the rim.
Take this one off.
No, we'll go ahead and leave that one on as kind of a safety. what we're gonna do is tighten this up, and he's gonna kind of move it forward and back. And that one, the more he moves it forward and back, it's gonna tighten up anyways. So, if we need to, we will. But for right now, we'll just hold it as a safety. Unhook that one now that it's real loose. It's coming right up. Go ahead and go forward, Ben. Okay, hold on. You're into the soft shackle. So turn back passenger. Right there. Come backwards. Okay. All right, I'm gonna let it out a little and go forward. Okay. Go forward a little more. All right, hold on.
I can't see the right rear.
It's down, but I gotta rehook the front.
It feels like I might be able to pull off.
I think you can, but I'm gonna put a safety on it just in case. Hold on. Right there. Yeah, that back's gonna walk right up.
Feels like the rear's still hanging on.
It is.
Yeah, it is still hanging on.
Where are we getting this down at though?
Yeah, that's what I was gonna look.
So my thought was easiest would be to turn down and go that way, but the brush would tear it up. To the right? The right's a lot steeper.
Over back there it is. It's not too bad right here, is it? Because it dropped off right there. He drove his Jeep down right here.
Yeah. Ben, I think right here is the way. Okay, so bring your driver tire. Yeah, right there. Creep on forward. You're gonna start pulling that tire up at about 2.5 feet. So just slow roll until then. Okay, a little passenger now. Climbing up. Hard passenger. Hard passenger. There you go. Okay. Keep the hard passenger all the way. Okay. Come this way. A little more driver, a little more driver. Right there. Come forward about 4.5 feet. Okay, right there. Crank it all the way, passenger. Okay, your front's gonna start on a decline at about 8 inches. Keep it all the way cranked. No, I think you're good right there.
We haven't filmed a good rollover in a while. Don't jinx us.
I'm not superstitious.
Yeah, you're cresting over evenly with the front and rear. Okay, hold it right there. This side's about to drop 8 inches.
That tire's stuffed pretty good.
Okay, inch forward like 4 inches.
Oh.
You see if it pulls it back down. If so, we'll have you back out.
Tire. coming.
Keep going.
No, it isn't.
This side's still good. So yeah, go ahead. Right there. Can you turn passenger? Sorry, driver. Let's turn driver back up.
Caleb.
Square it off. We don't want it too squared off. We want to belly it out. Come on back.
Nice traction.
Yep. Right there. Okay, come back about another foot.
You're touching over here on the running board.
Keep coming. A little more. Right there. Okay. All right. Come on down.
I think I had it a little high.
Okay, straighten them out. I'm looking. I'm thinking right here. Yeah. Crank it all the way, passenger. Nope, I think you're looking good right there. Yeah, 'cause if we'd have gone more straight, we'd have bellied out on that. Driver. Okay, hold on. Let me see what's gonna rub.
Tailpipe.
Tailpipe.
Okay, you're good. Keep going. Okay, and then just go right behind mom. Easy peasy.
They wanted us to try to help them with it. We gotta call professionals.
Are you the one with the Jeep?
No, we were just over here camping, and my wife was riding a dirt bike over here, and she come home. Actually, they're about ready to roll. It looked worse from down here than it did up there, but
Oh, it was bad.
yeah, it was bad. And
Sketchy, like, so right here, there was that big berm, like is on the other one.
Yeah.
And
It-
I just feel it start sliding.
Just
My
gave way
truck
under the
just gave
tires.
way and
Yeah.
starts doing that.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is definitely a four-wheeler ridgeline to
Yeah.
run, not a Raptor ridgeline.
Yeah, it is soft.
I've done it in my Gladiator just fine, so I was like, yeah, I'll make it this way.
You got lucky.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is not for full size. And it's 100% not because it doesn't have the width. Because
Yeah.
this will fit my truck on a
Yeah,
40.
it's 'cause it's not
It'll
straight.
fit
It's
it.
so
But
soft.
there's no strength.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I dug this out with a snowmobile.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's no strength in the sides, so when you hit these berms, when you put a tire on the berms, they just sink. Okay, well, you guys have any more questions or anything like that? You good?
I learned my lesson. I'm just gonna say that.
Well, don't let it scare you off of having a good time.
Next time it's the $10,000 JK.
Definitely look at the stability of the earth underneath you
Yeah.
when you're figuring out where to drive.
Yeah. About where they're standing, I go. This is a little bit narrow.
Yeah. I used to drive my brother's Jeep through here all the time, but it's definitely not for full size rigs.
Yeah, for sure.
And weight makes a big difference.